forage making is specialist work. Perfect technology at your fingertips ensures the highest quality and long-term results. This technology is delivered by Krone, the innovative mowing specialist, by its extensive Easy Cut mower conditioner range. Front-mounted mowers, rear-mounted mowers, trailed mowers, mower combinations, and the self-propelled Big M400 and 500. The Krone Easy Cut hitch-mounted disc mowers are available in working widths of 2.7 to 8.7 meters. Exceptional performance in forage production is their hallmark. The Easy Cut disc mower is fully welded and permanently lubricated. All Krone mowers feature a low profile and wedge-shaped cutter bar, designed to improve both cutting performance and forage quality, even in the most difficult conditions. The large dimensioned idler gears operate at low speed, and they are extremely smooth running. All drive power in the cutter bar flows via the satellite pinions in the main drive system. In a secondary drive, the discs are each individually powered. This way, the forward-mounted mowing discs guarantee a clean cut. The cutter bar is powered via the first idler gear in the main drive. This drive is located behind the inner mowing drum, providing clean work without an inner shoe. Knife replacement is straightforward and safe with the exclusive Krone quick change knife system. The knife can rotate freely. This means it can move out of the way of many obstacles. The large skids protect the discs. The replaceable wearing parts of the cutting discs can be comfortably and inexpensively replaced, which reduces maintenance costs. And again, Krone is the first manufacturer to offer the world a groundbreaking novelty, the Safe Cut Disc Impact Damage Protection System. If, for example, a disc hits a stone, the impact may damage and down the entire machine and require repair. Safe Cut prevents this from happening. As a first step, a roll pin shears off. The blocked disc jacks up 15 millimeters on a thread and out of the operating area of its neighboring discs, eliminating the risk of extensive repairs. Krone Safe Cut. Outstanding technology. Costs. Krone offers two conditioners for intensive conditioning, which nearly cover the entire work width. Every blade of grass is conditioned with the Easy Cut CV disc mower conditioner. The V-shaped steel tines swing freely to avoid obstacles. Conditioner speeds range from 900 to 600 RPM. The clearance between the steel tines and the checker plate can be adjusted according to the required intensity of conditioning. The crop is distributed over the entire mowing surface with the extra wide distributing hood. As we say, as wide as possible, but narrow when necessary. Leafy crops require gentler conditioning. The Easy Cut CRI disc mower, with its chevron-shaped rollers, which have a positive grip surface made from polyurethane, is the right specialist for this work. The Easy Cut front mowers offer a compact design with large working widths of 2.71 to 3.14 meters. Easy Cut 28P and Easy Cut 32P use active drive swathing drums to to swathe the crops centrally between the tractor wheels to avoid running over. These front mowers without conditioner are also mounted in their centre of gravity, providing a 40 centimetre travel and excellent ground flowing ability. The models EasyCut 28CV and 32CV feature the Krone high-performance conditioner. Generously dimensioned tension springs and wide skid shoes protect the turf from scuffing. The EasyCut 32 CV float features an integral headstock spring suspension system. The kinematics between coil spring and arm maintain a nearly consistent ground pressure. The mower follows all humps and bumps, producing even cuts without contamination. Tough conditions require specialist solutions. Mountain farming requires lightweight machinery. EasyCut 28M and 32M offer optimal solutions. Their compact and lightweight design brings their centre of gravity closer to the tractor. These front mowers are ideal for mountain tractors. These Krone mowers impress by their perfect cuts, even on steep hills. The EasyCut front mowers leave a clean cut in any harvest conditions. Krone hitch-mounted mowers offer working widths from 2.71 metres to 4 metres. EasyCut 280 and EasyCut 320 can also be equipped with conditioners. The simplicity and sturdy build of their headstocks are impressive. The direct drive guarantees an absolutely secure power transmission from the tractor PTO shaft to the cutter bar at constant speed and high power, which is important when mowing under difficult conditions. Mounted in the centre of gravity and link arm guided, the Krone Duo Grip centre of gravity suspension is the guarantee for uniform ground pressure over the entire working width at all times. Additional control for the centre of gravity suspended mower comes from side mounted arms. Duo Grip stands out for less fuel consumption, less wear on the skid shoes, less stress on the material, no damage to the turf, uniform and clean cuts. Adjustable coil springs provide optimal suspension in all conditions. A patented brake-back mechanism releases automatically if there is an overload and swings and lifts the cutter bar out of the way. After the system is triggered, the tractor reverses and the mechanism locks home again and work continues. Big in the field, yet compact on the road. The Krone disc mowers EasyCut 280 and EasyCut 320 fold into compact transport units. The EasyCut mounted mower conditioners swing towards the middle of the tractor.